Hi, my name is Ahmed Mohammed. Some people know me as Dr. Shafii. Today I want to talk to you about COVID-19, which has unfortunately also reached our community. Initially, it was thought that younger people were at lower risk for COVID-19, but increasingly we've seen reports where younger people have been getting infected, developing symptoms, and there have been reports of young people with COVID-19 dying from strokes. Strokes usually happen in older people who have a lot of risk factors, but it is almost unheard of to happen in younger people. Now, a couple of months into this pandemic, we're seeing some people relaxing some of the preventive measures, such as wearing masks or staying indoors. Though these measures are not being strictly enforced, we still need to take preventive measures seriously. So, what can you do? Make sure you wear a mask whenever you go out in public and only go out if you need to. Stay 6 feet away from the person closest to you. Continue to wash your hands for at least 20 seconds with soap or using hand sanitizer. Please don't call your friends to hang out in person. And please don't go to the playgrounds to play basketball. I want to go play basketball, but it's been a couple of months. It's been difficult, but we have to continue to do these things so that we don't get ourselves sick, we don't get our family sick, or our neighbors or anybody else that could be at high risk of developing complications and dying from COVID-19.